Where are you going? We got it out. What you got, old bud? Christmas tree.
Look, Ruby. Ruby. Oh, here's another one. Oh, here's Spurt. Look. Yes. Look.
She wants that one.
Own tree.
You're a pretty girl.
Yours is pink. Spurt.
A pretty girl. Merry Christmas.
Here,
Oh, this is yours. Miss. Oh my God. Merry Christmas.
you want to sit in the tree?
Miss. And gone into her cave.
How fun is that? Look how pretty that's going to be against your fur.
Yeah.
No, it's not a toy.
And you gotta start taking them for walks. What do I say on the
Nothing. Oh, top paw.
Oh. What color is Misty's?
Pretty
Oh,
pink.
pink. Merry Christmas from our dogs to yours.